Crewchief Systems keeps all the important records and documents for your aircraft together in one place digitally, accessible via mobile or web. Everything you need is always up to date and immediately available to you and all the pilots who fly your plane. See your aircraft's maintenance history in an instant and confidently assess safety and operational status in real time before each flight. Know before your mechanic does when new airworthiness directives, service bulletins, or other important maintenance changes are required. Save money and avoid costly surprises while protecting the value of your aircraft and receiving discounted maintenance rates from our affiliates. Best of all, share this information effortlessly with mechanics, potential buyers, other pilots, or anyone else you like. Each aircraft membership includes unlimited accounts and allows you to tailor access to meet your needs. It's your aircraft, and you are in control. Welcome to the future of aircraft asset intelligence.